All right, it's that time of the year again. Great guitar build of 2023. This year I decided to go ahead and compete in two categories, the freestyle and the scratch build. So I'll start with the freestyle, that's what you're here for. So yeah, I've been building guitars for the last 5 years, and like a lot of you probably, I've been accumulating a lot of scraps. Yeah, I've got all these different kinds of woods that are just sitting around, not doing anything. So I thought, hell, I'll build an ukulele out of it. So I'll be using, as many different kinds of woods as possible, as many techniques as possible, and try to make an appealing instrument out of it. So let's start with the body. This episode is about the body, so let's get started with that. First of all, I'll be doing a template. Usually I make templates and then I end up not using them on the router table and just using the sander, but it helps me to visualize the shape. So that's what I'm probably gonna do. So yeah, first we do that, and then I'll be taking some bigger pieces like this one, and cut it into these wedges that I'm then gonna arrange in a pattern and make the body blank out of. For the top, you'll see later. Nice. Okay, since the joint is not completely perfect here, I'm gonna do a little bit of an inlay with this piece of paduk, just a round shape inlaid here in the middle. Okay, so now that our shape is done and this little detail on the back too, which I'm very happy with, I'm ready to carve out the front. So what I'm gonna use is a Forstner bit and then a router so that I smooth everything out, and like this it looks nice through our little sound hole here. Okay, so now that I have cut out all these different strips in all the different colors and sizes and all of this, I need to put them all together into a top. So first I thought, hey, gluing all of this is gonna be tedious, but somebody's gotta do it, right? So let's do it. No, this time I will not complicate my life. Actually, I had a great idea. I'm gonna just put everything down, glue it down onto a piece of veneer. This I can do all in one go, and then as soon as it's dried, I can pour some epoxy on top. That's gonna fill the gaps, and since these all have different thicknesses, I can pour actually high enough so that we keep this nice 3D effect, which comes from the different thicknesses, and at the same time we'll have a flat top, which comes from the epoxy. So yeah, I think I'm cheating a little bit, but at the same time, this is gonna make something that is cooler looking than what I expected. So hey, I win. Okay, so as you can see, we have a bit of spillage here. Yeah, I mean, was to be expected because I just used this tape to keep the epoxy in. But I'm still quite happy with the result, at least when it comes to the piece. So now I have to figure out how to get this piece off the MDF board. Time to cut the top. Okay, the box is closed. So I am quite pleased with the result. You can't really see it now because I still need to sand the bejesus out of this, but it's gonna look quite nice, I think. The sides are quite cool because you have these different heights of the wood, so that's nice. I'm quite pleased with this, and yeah, onwards. All right, so that was that. I'm pretty happy how it came out. Very happy about the carve. It showcases a little bit of that 3D thing I was mentioning, even though probably you can't see it very well. Yeah, very, very happy with that. The sound hole came out quite nice. I'm quite happy about the back as well. That little detail that hides my screw hub, I think is one of my favorite features now. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed yourselves too. Please like, subscribe, all that good stuff. As per usual, if you stick around, I'll be doing quite a few of these this summer because, well, as I said before, doing the freestyle and the scratch build. So there's going to be a lot of me on this channel this summer. So stay tuned.